Yo guys, what's up? Well, we just found a bird that ran into the window and now we can't fly anymore. We're hoping to keep it for a bit.
Okay, let me say something. Just pooped on me.
Oh, you were so, it was so close. Careful with it, bro.
It's gonna poop on you if you're scared half the time.
I don't care.
You know, if you're scared at the same time, the jazz can poop on you.
He's been eating blueberries. Yeah, blueberry poop.
Alright, come on, we're just playing the video.
No. We're not doing that thing anymore.
Why?
We need to check out the bird.
Don't handle it too much. You're
Asa!
Asa!
You're hurting it.
You're scaring it.
Never mind.
Be gentle with the thing.
Okay, it's not a thing. SWAT team.
Not yet.
Oh, man.
Next video.
Okay. Can we do SWAT team for the next video?
Pick him up. I never holded the bird before.
Look, watch this.
Bro, you want to hold it? Bro, let's get
Right now. Come on. Watch this. If I can get a clear shot. Dude, watch this.
Shoot it.
I'm trying.
Oh, you
What? I hit that. I swear to God, I hit that. Where'd it go?
There's a bird.
Here, I want to hold it.
Okay.
Where's Liv?
Gotta get it.
Sorry,
Gotta get it.
you're dead. Here.
Don't do that. You could scare it half to death.
I'm just kidding.
It just pooped again.
Why?
You scared it.
How? I didn't even touch it.
Careful.
I can't touch it. It won't move.
Again.
Oh, we got Asa. Can we move these real quick?
Oh, sure. Leave it alone.
Dad, it pooped again. Dad, it pooped again.
Gatsby, just take it outside.
Daddy, it
That's what I'm trying to do.
We just don't want to scare it.
Can I see it?
I got
I've never get to
Let it stand on your hand. Don't grab it like that. Gotta be gentle.
He's got whiskers.
I think this
I wanna
is
hold it.
It won't.
Okay, I'm gonna give it to you. Hold the phone. I'm gonna take it outside.
Dad, put it on the porch.
Okay, now we gotta be
Put it
careful.
on the
No, we're
porch.
videoing it, remember?
The feather got loose.
Let's go.
This is so weird.
Here, dude, I want to hold it once we get it outside.
Okay, yeah, you can hold
I
it when
wanna
we
hold
get
it.
outside.
Move.
Oh, can I hold it?
It's shaking.
You already held it, Asa.
Pizza. It must be very
So we're going on front.
Dad.
Oh, look.
Dad, what? Look at pooped and it's and Ace's going.
Look at the baby.
Hey, no.
Dad, look at
No,
the
no, my
tail
friend.
feathers.
All right, this is the video.
Starting to shred its feathers.
We're releasing the bird finally.
Baby. Look at the baby.
Yes.
Me?
Yes.
It's a
No,
baby.
come on, Dad.
Little baby.
Come on, Dad. Right in front of my friend too.
Whoa, we can fly.
Wow.
It's in the house. Oh, I'm getting this on video. Oh, I'm so. We're getting this on video. Yeah, getting this on video.
Just done.
We're getting this on video.
Look, you guys.
Baby, tell me.
I just got a little scared of that baby.
You're all right.
I just got scared of that baby.
This on video.
Yeah. Stop. Calm down. You're freaking it out.
Okay.
Dad, that.
Yes.
I'll get it up. Asa, stop. It's on his shoulder. Oh. Dad, it's on his shoulder.
Can I hold it?
Come on.
No, I'm gonna let him. He's gonna fly. He was just stunned. Now he can fly again.
Oh, I got pooped on your shirt.
Okay.
Ugh. Gross. That's so cool.
There you go.
Why?
Leave him.
It ran into the window again.
Okay.
All right, that was the video of the bird. Now it's sober. Subscribe on this video or else you're dead. That's gonna be you if you don't subscribe.
Yeah. So bye.
Yeah.